Well, we are keeping a close eye on a storm system that's packing a lot of lightning, heavy rain, and rough winds. Here's Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo with your update. Kate?
Yuki, we're watching these storms moving through western Pennsylvania, and they're headed our way. The question, will they be able to stay severe as they move into our region, which has been kind of cloudy and cool in the wake of the morning rain? That said, these storms are quite strong off to the north and west and will likely be able to maintain at least some intensity into tonight. So especially between about 8 p.m. and midnight, some very strong storms will cross the region. Right now it's only 77 at the airport. It's mostly cloudy. The dew point, though, is high. It's 67, so it is steamy out there. Storm Scan 3 shows the cluster of storms that we're concerned with. Now, there are a few complexes, a few clusters of storms drifting south and eastward across the northeast tonight. There's one over Virginia, one over New York State, but of course this one is the one we're really watching. This is what has us in its sights, so to speak. But I also want you to notice all these clouds blowing off from the storms to the south. Clouds in place, cool conditions. We're going to see the sun go down and lose the heating of the day. All of this will serve to stabilize the atmosphere and limit the threat for severe weather. Right now, though, these storms are quite severe north of State College, moving toward Williamsport. Let's time this out. Through 8 p.m., the quiet, kind of cloudy, cool conditions will continue. 8 p.m. through midnight is the focus of storms. Now, earlier and further to the north and west is when I think the greatest risk for severe weather will be. Once we get toward 10, 11, 12 o'clock, that's the greatest likelihood of storms in the city, but they may be losing a lot of their intensity by that point. Still lightning, still heavy rain, but again, the threat for severe weather diminishes. And after midnight, the storms move offshore and skies clear. You can see there's an enhanced risk for severe weather in areas just off to our north and west. It's a slight risk from the Poconos to the city, and then in South Jersey and most of Delaware, that threat does diminish to a marginal risk tonight, again, with a lot of stability in the atmosphere. So 8, 9 o'clock is when I think our greatest threat for severe weather will be. This is for the Poconos, Berks County, maybe Lancaster County. We still have a line of gusty storms moving into the city around 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. I think the biggest threats here will be heavy downpours, frequent lightning, as well as the chance for some gusty winds. But notice the storms are weakening. The cloud tops, the storms becoming more elevated as they move through. Hence, a little bit of weakening is expected, and that will continue into the overnight hours. By the way, our actual cold front comes through tomorrow afternoon. There's not a lot with it, but there may be a pop-up shower or storm tomorrow afternoon or evening down the shore. So tonight, 71 degrees. Those gusty storms likely before midnight, then clearing overnight. Our low tonight is 71. For tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 93. So you may think tonight's storms must be a cold front and tomorrow will be more comfortable. That's not the case. The cool air is on a delay until the actual surface front comes through tomorrow afternoon. So you're going to feel a breeze pick up, winds becoming westerly 15 to 20. Gusts could even be a bit higher than that, and that breeze is the wind of change. Now, there is actually a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow for the shore in Delaware. If any of those storms are able to form in the afternoon as that front swings through, they could turn briefly strong. So a stray thunderstorm down the shore tomorrow, 88 degrees. And then take a look at Saturday and Sunday. Much cooler, breezy. It's a beautiful Sunday for Father's Day down the shore and nice in the city as well. Saturday will be in and out of the clouds. It's kind of unsettled just with clouds firing up because of the cool air aloft. 74 degrees. A beautiful Father's Day and Juneteenth on Sunday. 77 and sunny. That is a gold star day. Got the #1 dad medal there, but we can give it the #1 day of the 7-day medal as well. 82 and pleasant on Monday, then a few more clouds Tuesday with the chance for a few scattered showers and storms by Wednesday or Thursday. Yuki, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.